from me to you.
Oh, thank you.
Well,
What is it for?
it's your own personal escape button.
Wow. What does that mean?
Well, just press it. It makes a noise.
Emperor sits, blissful unknowing that his favorite creation was not built to last. Day and night, they would soar past the clouds. But alas, wax wings melt to dust. The connection is severed. What you said left me crushed. I beg and I bargain, but it's not last forever. I plead to them fears to no God. But if I could not have you, then why must I take you from all of the things that I knew? After all of the wasted years, how could I stay in this life? Life that I thought were the truth. I keep on taking you, and it looks like you can't get far with you. One can get them through. As I told you, I feel it's a little something.